All right, last two. What would you say to a man right now who feels like his life is over
Mm.
because of shame? What's the first thing he needs to do?
I'm gonna say something. It's not a joke. Like it's. I'll say this. For one, if he got weapons in the house, get rid of the weapons. I went there
That's
mentally.
real.
I went there mentally. Um, it was the darkest.
Yeah.
Here's what I'll say. I'm gonna not talk about that because my son is a kid, and I'm sure he'll see this one day. But brother, if you can own it, God can heal it.